Are you ready?
Ready for what? I'm not doing this.
Position your hands higher, and then you gotta massage the rider. Good. Oh, that's good. I'll give you extra points for that. Hey, I said sit down right here. You gotta go down to this area. Yeah. Yes. There you go. Hey.
Oh.
You gotta do it slow. Nice and slow. Good. Good.
Do I really have to do this?
Huh?
Do I really have to do this? Man, what the...
And when we're slowing down, you have to put your hands right here. Yes. Hey.